your project and we'll provide a free on-site evaluation and outline the scope of work. Next, your certified team member will evaluate your job site and explain exactly how the work will be done. Pacific's proven process quickly eradicates whatever contaminants you're facing, so you can avoid downtime in your business. From the moment you reach out to our team, our top priority is bringing you peace of mind and fast. To get started with your project, reach out to our team at pacificductcleaning.com whenever and wherever you need it. We are your business's solution to cleaner air.